Omwancho muliriri Ndizi TV nandene chinga gichabe nengu kwarene asemesa ya mangana maya iriyo manyana na rende wate kaime na isko ya Gusii no kuboli kwana na irali bagali ya olia benora manyana na wate ka kurumo jahiri anyisugusu amo nabosongo nilitukura Jumamosi ligiya mbale bande kanisa litukorero na bande karwa Robert kwenda litukoria ngyo ekarujitariki Motinyo tano mu mwaka w'Ibere nimero 2023 kato semere tuna nyasaye ni aende gukubwera andonsi asoberde ngwira libali abano gukwariania Amayia ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere ringo chuteri osengo manyana aende gukorekana ime na isiko ya Gusii na mange aende gukorekana aikarondo chebuna abanyanyimbo bane nigo bono banyarire bakomajuwa magiga yugo kagaruna nigo bamwibirete omonchoreri oyomo boigo yokabeire umugavana we county ya Makweni Kivita Kibwana nigo bananyarira kubulia serikali kubeke miroberi yugo sira basae korengana mboro bwa banki bwa Kenya nigo barabasae igo bonense ya Kenya serikali eise kubeke miroberi yago cha sabasae nigense ya Kenya era imukerere igoro boigo narorire jarango nigo bonanyarira komojia abasani gose bari bakorona creators content creators anekerateruna serikali nigo yabeka kubarusie bango korengana nigo bari guyake kuba bona barabo nigo bari abanyabesa ayungati yali korekana ime na isiko ya Gusii yombwatie endengotebia yuo ekarongo kwariane asenjera ya bene edukubatera na bgeri nyanchamo yokone kibna gochiri witira serio ya monechi bicha erindingo ya somere neliane Brighton Makori. Togo sabo kwabera asinginjo ya tekniko here ya asini nikorende tigankwiranie naningote ibuna Pastor Dorcas Rigati oyore omurugi bomokonyi bomurai bwentheri katika shawa nigo bonanyare kaote abuna ninginjo netakire kube kweri kwegerera omwana mumura ano yorekande na wesona ni asebinyuwa biribitanje iria sense ya Kenya kaukwana aliri tikorigora sense ya Gitunguria gosase bunga ya Gitunguria county ya Kiambu nigateruna nterebu yemirobiri kubekwa erigo siro mwana omumura tesona ni asobotumeki wa marwayu
are fighting to claim our boy child back. We are bringing him from the gutters. We are bringing him from the streets. We are getting and rescuing him from drug for him to recover and to be healed. And we want to see young men, men of valor, men of power. We want them to be drivers. We want them to be even presidents. That is the future church. And those are the drivers of economy who have been in the gutter, caught up with the schemes of the evil one. But now, the war was in heaven, it was won by angels. The one which is on earth here is going to be fought by the clergy, by the police, by administration, by the presidency, by the county government, the national government. We are out for those who want to destroy our future. The survey by Nakada released in May 2022 indicated that 1 of every 6 Kenyans aged 15 and 65 years are currently using at least one drug or one drug or are abusing substance. The fact that more than 4 million people used drugs in 2022 is worrying, and quick interventions by the society at large must be put in place. I applaud the efforts made by the APEC and Synod or Say No to Drugs. We have taken the initiative to involve the community in addressing this crisis. I also Omowasiri boborendi boime kitura kindiki ni gobona boririe
abamenyi kurwa sensemeri osichinse mochiria obosagani bogenderete kwena kimurango chabaramo na ukwana niriogerimo erigokoro bosagani ase ensemeyo ukwana burit kuregoro anekeregerete asomusankano bobodendi asensemeyo bosa sensemo ya jisongon nigobono kiturate birina nerebuya abantu bonse kubwatirana erikobeka gose gotinyo borendi asense yeito ya Kenya nigagoja magiga yobosagani korekana kwiranira achinsemo chirikorende nigaterune serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigere maiso na kwena kuno bosagani obu ngoera bora sensemeyo asate birina eriogirie bunduki goikarikire asichinsemecho.
Na nimetumwa hapa na Mheshimiwa Rais ili kuhakikisha kwamba mambo ambayo tumeanzisha hapa yanadumishwa, tusije tukarudia hii mambo mwaka nenda mwaka rudi. Na mimi nikiangalia hawa wananchi wa jamii yetu ya Pokot na jamii yetu ya Marakwet, shida ya hapa ni shida kidogo, itaisha tu mara moja. Sababu mimi nasikia munaongea karibu lugha moja. Mara nasikia nyinyi ni mtu na ndugu yake ama dada yake. Nyinyi ni watoto wa mama moja. Si mmesema hivyo? Ile debate iko ni nani alizaliwa kwanza kuliko ule mwingine. Lakini debate ya mama hakuna, mama ni mmoja. Si kweli? Mtashindwa kutengeneza amani kweli? Mimi nashukuru nikiona hii wimbo inaimbwa hapa ya Kalia na Kongoi, kwa sababu Kalia imepatikana hapa. Nashukuru Mungu. Niseme ya kwamba katika kutekeleza ile kazi ambaye lazima tutekeleze hapa, lazima tukubaliane. Na mimi nashukuru sana.
Ase chinga kechecho kindiki nigatetabne serikali nigobonero beretie ojukwena kimunango agacha bare chisukuru asensemeyo eria masomo osichisemi koendera asensemeyo korengana nena nigatene nobo sokusana ekero akorora abana bathari kwenda skuru asensemeri kubwatikana nobo sagani bari bakorekana ase ensemeyo osensemeri ya ponde la ufa igoboni gateruna skuru chichikwagachwa ejira jikoreta ababwatani gose abamenyi bensemeyamo na kwenda masomo asiskuru echo
kwa Marakwet. Walimu wa Pokot shule moja ya kulala wakae hapa, ndio tuondoe hii dhana ya kwamba ati lazima utafute ng'ombe ndio sasa uonekane wewe ni mtu mstaarabu. Kuna watu wengi ambao ni wastaarabu na wao hawajaiba ng'ombe ya mtu. Kwa sababu tusipofanya hivi itakuwa nchi ya uhalifu, nchi ya mambo ya zamani, na dunia imesonga kwa mambo ya teknolojia, kwa mambo ya kazi za kisasa. Nikiona hao watoto wako hapa, naona hawa ndio kesho ya Kenya yetu. Kwa hivyo tutajenga shule 5 hapa katika hii bonde la Kerio, na tumekubaliana hizo shule watoto kutoka jamii zote watakuwa pale, walimu watatoka jamii zote, na zitakuwa shule za kulala.
Kerobono egikaro kerike koreta babwatani awawo asensemo ya Meru anene kurigereria na kimero birete kere kobeku gosiro boremi anene bwekawa asensemeyu ya Meru eyenderete gwikaranirwa nabarai abakorwa serikali bakorawa no mukonyi bumurai bw'ensirigati gashawa nigobona abaremi bensemeyu banyarire bagwesokya na kuburia serikali kwene kubina ngokora bara abaibi bali bakwirira oburemi kwirana inse asense yeito ya Kenya.
Wamelipwa, tumesikia some farmers noto wamelipwa, lakini wale watu walikuwa wanafanya kazi KPCU saa tunjalipwa. Many of us wamekufa sana sauri ya shinda. So ningekuomba tu kwa unyenyekevu, bila naona uko na nguvu ya kufanya anything kwa hii Kenya tukiwa nyuma yako. Tulimuingisha hapo tukiwa na purpose ya mtu zaindie sisi wakulima. Mimi ni mkulima Tigane North. So ningekuomba saa uingie kati. Tumepresent barua kwa our PS, our CS ya claim ya kuonyesha wakulima wale hawakulipwa saa. na ya kuonyesha wafanyikazi wale walikutwa na liquidator hawakulipwa. So wale wamebaki afadhali tu enjoy their benefits sir. Thank you very much. Swali lingine ni wale waliingilia wakauza vitu ya KPCU wanajulikana. Na afadhali tuambiane ukweli, your slogan is very important to us. David Murathe yule alikuwa secretary wa Jubilee.
Oyo kabeire moteneni bwa bakori mirimo asin serikali asamatuka magega Ambassador France Mutaura ni gabana nyarire kagotogia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza neliende ya ruobisi ya Jubilee anene asemeroberi babegete yogosirie birengo awo pia magendero asense ya Kenya Kwana anene karanyarite kawikirana asumo yigaboko bekerwe gutwa gati yabakore mirimo asekiyombegia Public Service Commission ni gabana Mutaura atebronense ya Kenya nigegendete gusaseri na gukora buya na onyena sensemo ya Afrika asibona niruna netakiri gosirwa nemeroberi kobekwa irinsi ya Kenya gendere gotigara kebwato bosera bwaye.
The way we are moving definitely with this type of embracing the youth and investing on the potential of our youth, the future of this country is very, very bright. Just I was reading a few things a few days ago. I see Kenya is being ranked as number 2 as the most innovative country in Africa. That's not a small achievement. Kenya is ranked about number 6 in terms of GDP. That is also not a small achievement. We are the 6th richest country in Africa. That is not a small achievement. I've also seen our ranking as in terms of infrastructure, especially the road network. We are ranked number 7 in Africa. That is also not small achievement. And you know that ranking of infrastructure, even the small islands, some of them rank very high and they have very few kilometers.
Ekerobono ingana ye finance pirigendrete koba ekego chakosiku kwanirwa senze ya Kenya nigobono mo Prime Cabinet Secretary Musari Mudavadi anyarire kahote abuna ebyombe awo nigobya rwete birengera byabo igoro ye finance piri yo asebono yarekanina kwegerera serikali na gote abuna ya ebirengerero bire ase finance piri yo aba Kenya mbale ba rwetororo asogo chigutume kwa gochya samatuko alebosyo igaya kwaneta yari tukurigoro ekiranya ndekawe kirana asumo yegoboko bekerwa yigutwa kati y'abakora imirimo asekyombe ya Public Service Commission ekarabono agendete kwegerera serikali.
You have seen the numbers, you have seen the state of the economy, you know where we are hurting, you know what it takes, and it is through you that the Minister for Finance is able then to formulate those ideas. He does not bring them from the bush. It is a civil servant, a public servant who is an expert in economics, who is an expert in matters of revenue, who is an expert in planning, who is giving the minister advice on how we can get out of the matope that we are in. So this debate, you are part of it. You are part of it. I cannot formulate a finance bill without the legal experts from the Attorney General's chambers. You cannot formulate a finance bill to see how we will close the financing gap without the advice of the Kenya Revenue Authority, which tells you.
Waziri w'Ekigosori Ababu Namwamba nigo wananyare kaote abune serikali nigendete kubika muruberu gwetere wisara ye kwene kuna ngukora bale obotumekibwa mariogo yokomenta chinguru asabani anjoki asense ya Kenya.
Between Athletics Kenya and the National Olympics Committee and government, we are waging a total war against doping. A total war against doping. And we are saying we shall win the war against doping. Your Excellency, you hosted here Lord Sebastian Coe, the president of World Athletics. We gave a guarantee that we shall win the war against doping. And we are working with all these athletes in that respect.
Boigo mawaziri oyo ababu na mwamba ni gaterubna timu ya Harambee Stars nigendete kwiharigania nande na wera ajigosoa asekimirano ogiyesengima umwaka wa 2025 nemo asateruna ekero mondatagete kwendase goikacha ke mapema gosekia bwango asibona Harambee Stars yagire kweroberia kora gosine jigosoa asekimirano ekyo asomwaka wa 2025 nemo.
This team is right now preparing to start the journey to the World Cup 2026 with the qualifiers that start in November. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Na safari ya kesho hupangwa leo. We have started early preparations to make this team competitive as they get to the qualifiers for World Cup 2026. They are already in camp. I visited them yesterday and gave them financial support to enable them travel to Mauritius tomorrow to participate in a 4-nation tournament that is part of their preparations. And so, Your Excellency, you instructed me to steady this ship and to fix the mess. And this is what we are doing, sir. This is exactly what we are doing.
Ayubononsi hababu na mamba nigaya kwaneta yurit kurigoro gose obutkuba marogoba osirit kurigoro akarobari ngasense ya State House asomoroberi Taranta hera oyibonya tugo ikaranu mugabana we county ya Kenya na baraibande ase anwaiguru oyore omoteneri gosumunya kirbo bwabagabana asense ya Kenya nerate yadabuna ki serikali je county ni wachigendete kupotera ni serikali chenene serikali yanene erigo kinie birengo au Biamagendero amone chikosoli ase chi county echo.
We are working together with national government and the ministry in partnership. We look forward to rolling out the bottom-up football tournament amongst all the other sports searching or scouting talent initiatives. And Your Excellency, the only thing that I would like to mention is that we look forward to partnering, and especially in the support of the activities that we have agreed between the county governments and the national government that will start at the bottom for the
Omurai wenze Dr. William Ruto ibono oyibo igore ngomagani mwanene asomorobero yo Taranta hela diaburitko ligoro nigo atebiruna okubota noku yawe serikali Church County na bora chiko kine chigosori ao asaderune serikali ya enene oikechikwene kwena kubota nene Church County echo.
To address this underperformance, we committed to leverage our international athletics and sporting brand to develop a local sporting apparel manufacturing cluster, including all sports, into the National Sports Talent Academy and devolve it to county sports talent academies. That is one area we're going to work with, and I am happy that we have counties here. We want to partner with all our counties. We want to work with you because there is no part of Kenya that is not a part of a county. We also pledge to promote county leagues and inter-county sports championships that culminate into a national sporting extravaganza.
Ayubono nararenga ye Chinsa chi Isano Ibere chabano basokonde nyana chikura Chinsa ikomi nigonyara yo mana mange bana endete kwate kaime na isiko ya Gusii kuboli kwa nagendera kulira Ndizi TV nero wansumause ase kakerebosyo nigo chikumera na babu mukongwe isukuru y'abantu bonzi asomorobero rumba asiri tukuralera ko yoretera mase ya Makori sensemeli ya Windspark Resort yego toka sensemeli ya Nyangongo igobono yerera oikororo nibonyorane mase ya mona babu mukongwe ni timu yonsi ya Ndizi TV anena somorobero rumba oyasiga kerebosyo ojakerense Chinsa Isano Ibere nenusuga abasoirali ndoje kurobendete kurubelie menyonjo yabo kwene kubinango koretera bale rumba korwa sensemeyo ya Windspark Resort nigo ngomanyiwa gose nigo ndoje buna babu mukongwe ari tukorera ni gaho chikonyorana na Chamnazi Africa pandi ntindi kabisa abu ose Chamnazi Africa na mo chikonyorana era sensemeyo ya Windspark ibona akumanyine na ayerera oika sensemeyo nyaro kwenyorera libaga lietengo tingo daine kero chikwenyorera konene libaga lietengo le nyorera sensemeyo ekero moroberio yorumba okagerero gochikobwata inse abantu betinye bigari asensemeyo kurwa sensemeyo ya Windspark litukoria rero ikakire bosyo na nje no ngi arigene tigo chikwendororo na nje ndanyara ingoranye gari ebimo byanake ekaro babu mukongo atwarganirio moroberio motindi kabisa kurwa sensemeyo ya Windspark mbiyamana asenjo ole ime ya Ndizi TV nero wansoma usi nigo twabwaterana bigani nyanja makwene kuna maliogine chibicha gochira senjera ya bene boigo abigaira kongene karibuna nande nere bwiro iri kwene kuna chibicha na maliogi korwa sensemeyo ya Windspark kogojera chire asenjera endonge kabisa nje ndoke Brighton Makori tomirani tukira Jumatatu asomoroberio bwensakia